look good, and I'm eat them. It's okay, baby.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3,
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3,
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at you. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How is everybody doing today? Oh shoot, I got season on my hand. Oh well. Today I am bringing you a bootleg seafood boil. Yeah, that's right, bootleg seafood boil. Yeah, you heard it. Bootleg, cause bootleg is what I do, boo. Shoot, it's too cold, y'all. I had to go into the crab stash. People, y'all don't be believing me when I tell y'all I got a crab stash. But I really do. I got a crab stash. I got a stash of crab. Like when I eat crab, I got leftovers. I put it in the freezer and it can keep for a certain amount of time. And y'all are going there and I dig my hand in my bag, my crab stash. See what I pull out. Today I pulled out some snow crabs and I got some blue crabs in here. He missing some legs. I must have ate him before I put him in there. See, I got a couple more little blue crabs in here, another snow crab cluster, and potato. Y'all, that's my emergency stash. My emergency crab stash, y'all. Y'all better get with the program. Child, especially on cold days like this. You won't catch a girl out unless I gotta go out. You know what I'm saying? Shoot. I'm just saying. My back be hurting and stuff, and y'all know, girl, you broke down. Like, y'all, I'll talk about that later. Anyway, let me go ahead and list a disclaimer. If you're hearing the beep boop buzzes, it's because I called my phone and my children are not here and have to be able to have access to me, okay? All right, let's go ahead and give thanks, get to grub because your girl hungry. All right, let's see what it is. It's like a surprise pack, y'all. I got me a little pimp size of my little red wine because, you know, I got to be available for my chitterling. So I'm just getting my intake in today. Got my sauce. And not my sauce, my water. Good grief. My water and my sauce. And I think I'm supposed to slap your mom in here because he wasn't spicy enough. And to all of my winners of my contest, your stuff was coming. This cold weather's was holding me up, y'all. It's coming. Shoot. I'm about to hit you up and send you some money to CashApp. You keep it up. You might get an email saying, what is your CashApp? What's your PayPal? And let me just send you these funds. Shoot. Don't worry, I ain't busting till you'll slap your mama. You'll slap your mama. It's safe on the shelf. Yo, let's get into this. Yo, leftover crab, they be coming in handy, you know, especially when you be having a hankering and cravings and oh, you want some? You sure? Okay. There you go. He might be a little dried out, but he's still good. Yep, still good. But I'm telling y'all, waste not them leftover crabs away. That crab that you be eating getting be frozen anyway. Shoot, so why not refreeze the season? I'm not saying that's smart. You can go up in there whenever you want and get you some food and take you some crab out. You know what I'm saying? On days like this, or if you broke and you can't, you know, get no fresh crab, honey. Let me tell you, this works every time. It come in handy. I can't tell you how many times I've been grateful for my crab stash. I remember, look, he's still good. He may not be as vibrant as he was when I first got him, but he's still good. Hey, look, see that sauce? How the sauce revitalized him? Good to me. But y'all, your girl don't really go out in the cold. Y'all haven't learned by now. I don't like the cold. Don't like it, don't want it. I guess it is a need for it. I don't know. I have to figure out why. Yeah. I guess part of the season, but I'm a true time baby. And I like the cold. Oh, it's good. Y'all. So, y'all know my back messed up, right? But I be trying to be all cute and stuff in the cold. Knowing, like, when the cold comes. So what happens why people pain increase? Let me tell you why people pain increase. Because, you know, cold and heat cause stuff to expand and contract. So you've got muscles and all these ligaments or whatever is injured, whatever is injured, expanding and contracting. So it causes other things to press on other damaged parts of your body. So that's why in the cold, or when people start hurting more. Sorry, I'm trying to get it out. That's when people start hurting more. Because when one thing might be shrinking, it causes for another thing, like one thing that may have been bigger in the summertime that protected a blood vessel, now it's shrinking. You know, all these things are shrinking, and now there's swollen tissues being exposed and pressed on by something else. I think I explained that right to you guys. I don't know. If not, I'll try again. Another video. In order to, you just know that things change, okay, in your body. So in the cold, y'all, oh y'all be hurting so bad. So and the pressure changes. The barometric pressure changes when the weather changes. That's why you hurt in the rain too. So anyway, oh look, he look good, don't he? Let me dress him up for you. Y'all can't tell me he don't look good. He look good, and I'm eat him. It's okay, baby. They ain't gotta like you. I like them. So your girl, in the wintertime, it's like clockwork. Sometimes I need a cane. Yeah, I got me a little pimp cane. I sure do. But you know, I be trying to be cute. You know, I be wanting that cane all the time. But baby, let me tell you, in my potato, I was walking across the street one day in the cold, trying to be cute, and I know I was hurting. He left over potatoes, so he more like a mashed potato now. You think you like him? Baby, he still tastes good to me. Anyway, so I was trying to get across the street. Aching, y'all. Cold. Back of my head, knowing I should have took that cane out, but I didn't. Honey, when I said, well, my back had enough, send the pain down my leg. That leg went boop. Y'all, I'm looking around, y'all. Make sure nobody ain't see me. I try to hurry up and get my behind across that street and get to a basket, but my back ain't had to worry about wanting me no more. Because when it get cold, Keisha busts out the cane. I don't care. Forget the cuteness, okay? Forget the cuteness. Shoot. If I bust my behind. Oh, no, ma'am. Forget that. My cane all pimped up anyway. Y'all know what it is. One year I had some tinsel on it. I'm gonna decide what we're gonna decorate. I had some tinsel and some little stones on it. I'm gonna decide this year how I'm decorating. I'm good. I should have just ate straight this, but went straight to the crab. But I'm sitting here munching on these things right here. These things good. I'm gonna put them up here anyway. Combination. Plantain chips. Good. I'm gonna Mr. Blue cry out. I'm gonna tell her, look, he's still juicy. Look at that, y'all. Y'all can't tell me that my crab stash ain't to jump off. It is. Bootlegged for real now, huh? I don't care. You eat what you eat. I eat what I eat. Shoot, I might snatch that fortune cookie over there too. I don't know. This crab shell so crunchy. It's good. I will be swallowing some of this. Never gonna even lie. The real crispy ones like it's fried. Baby. That seasoning soaked in there so good, yo. Your girl might need a nap afterwards. Then they drive a whole day, may make it the whole day. Let me stop. I'll get up and get him. Oh, y'all want plantain? You want one? So, what y'all having for lunch? Did you have a good weekend? It's Monday. You made it. Like I told you yesterday, it's just another day. Let's think of it as Friday, older cousin, older sister. Yeah. Feel better. Friday, baby sister. Yeah, there you go. But you know what? Some people Mondays are other people Friday. Are y'all off today or you working today? Hold on. Kiss your bird. Ooh, excuse me. You off today, you working today. And represent your city in the degrees. How cold is it there? I want to see y'all temps. So I know to be jealous or compassionate. You know, I'll be seeing some people like 20. I'm like, oof, I need to be grateful. Ain't jokers be rolling around here with them 80-something degrees and stuff. Let me cut my eyes. I'm child. And so, look at my grandma's weather. She's down south Miami. It's about 80 degrees. I told you I should have been with cheating me. He's probably up there living it up. I don't care. Yes, I do. It's good, y'all. It's real good. And I'm hungry. One of my crab towels. And the people are like, why don't you just get white towels? Well, at the time, when I ate with the towel, I happened to get that towel. So I stick with them towels and I just recycle them. I got like 3 or 4 of them and they bleach. If I go get a white towel now, I already grabbed them towels. So you know what I'm saying? Too late. So good. Good to me. That's all that matters. I got new people coming on. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the tribe. But they asked me if I eat the shell. I don't eat the shell, y'all. Let me stop lying. Like, I don't know. I think sometimes I do eat a little bit, but it'll be real crispy. But for the most part, I'm not eating the shell. I'm separating the shell from the meat. If you go back to my collaboration with Views on the Road, I'll actually show you how I'm not eating the shell. Somebody messaging me. Hope they don't respect my video. Good. Dang. You really trying to get a hold of me, huh? Hold on. Wait a minute. I'm almost done. Just hold on, I'm eating crab. Just hold on, I'm eating crab. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Y'all. Ooh, nail it. Look at that. He's still juicy. Oh, got quiet, huh? Hear the cricket. Mm-hmm. That's good. Whew. Starting to feel good. All right, that's it for me. I'm probably gonna have my ginger juice tonight. Come on, mama, baby. I'm telling y'all, y'all stop sleeping on them leftover crabs. Stop throwing them things out. I wish I lived by half y'all. Two. I'll be right there. Set me up a full receptacle. Full receptacle, please deposit your crab scraps here. Let me start, y'all. Y'all be wasting food, though. But it's not wasting food. No, y'all be throwing them away. Put that stuff in a freezer bag. And put it towards the back. Crab's too expensive to waste. For me. Plus, I can't see just wasting this good food like that. Especially when I know the possibility I may not be able to get out to get any. I mean, one day I may let y'all see my crab stash. We'll see. Ooh, Skip, you hear that? It was like a up and out. I agree. It made noise coming up and going out. Man. Nasty, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby. Come on, mama. I see you. Come on. Don't play with me. Don't break apart. Oh, well. Eat you anyway. Ooh, it's a big old hunk in there. He don't want to come in one piece. I don't blame him. I wouldn't want to come in one piece either. Shit. Look at that. Look. Still as succulent as the day you bought it, girl. Woo. I don't chill that, didn't I? It's all on my face. Ooh, chat. Things are going to get easier. Oh, that was good. Oh, that potato left. I like mashed potato. Now, I don't know if I like him in the sauce. I'm gonna have to eat him with just some butter. Cause he tastes like mashed potato. Ooh. I almost left behind the soldier, y'all. I'm slipping. I would have found him when I emptied my bowl. Went to go clean my bowl. I would have found him. I'm bad. My bad. Look at that. Whew. That's good. Some more of these chips. Feeling good in the neighborhood. Come on, I ain't left in here. Woo. Time to medicate and relax sight. I don't want to fortune to this too. Just bust it open. Let's see what our fortune is today, y'all. Alright. Let's see. That shit's good. I'm gonna look like a pig. Don't judge me. I'm gonna talk about you stuff in your mouth. Alright. You ready for the fortune? It says, don't just spend time. Invest it. I like that. My fortune be speaking to me. How about another fortune? Secondfortune.com. No, thank you. Lucky numbers. 12, 46, 19, 31, 43, 14. 12, 46, 19, 31, 43, 14. You remember like Fantasy 5? How they used to sound when they were pulling the numbers? We would do to like gather around TV, watching the numbers. Y'all, I remember. Do they still do that? I don't know. Anyway, we've come to the end of our program. All right. Thank you for joining me on my bootleg seafood boil. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe and become part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified of any and every video that I release. Comment below, let me know that you're there. Share, because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or a dislike if it wasn't your cup of tea. And stay tuned for more. Until next time, that wine feeling fine. That wine feeling fine. You see me? You see me? I done got our lubricator, right? You see? Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces.